Hey, do you feel confused when you're faced with too many words? Do you feel perplexed when you read newspapers, magazines, articles, or books? Does the conversation of other people talking in English make you feel overwhelmed? Are you a person who knows English but still does not have an edge above others because of poor vocabulary skills? So grab this opportunity and turn your failure into a success.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about one of the most odd or feared aspects of learning a language, and that is enhancing one's vocabulary. First of all, let us understand what is vocabulary. Vocabulary is all the words that are a part of a particular language. English is considered to be one of the most voluminous language of the world, which means it has more number of words than any other language in the world. Obviously, because it is a global language. We are familiar with many words simply out of listening, out of watching TV, and also because we read. Let's look at the second aspect now. Why is it so important to improve one's vocabulary? We definitely have an edge above them. When we make use of choicest words, we reflect our own erudite nature. Erudite as in learned nature, that we are well read. Another aspect is that when we ourselves read, we do not have to look up the dictionary again and again. Hence, we enjoy reading. Knowledge of more number of words and understanding their usage helps us crack a lot of questions in competitive examinations. It comprises of the reading comprehension and the verbal ability sections. When it comes to reading, again, I've mentioned this, we can understand a passage only if we have knowledge about the words. So indirectly, reading comprehension section also tests our vocabulary. To verbal ability, we have questions which are directly or indirectly based on the usage of words. For example, we have synonym and antonym questions. We have improper usages. We have analogies. We have clause passages like the fill in the blanks, etc. It also helps us cracking logical reasoning questions. Let us look at the third aspect now. How to increase word power. First and the most important and the most effective method, of course, is reading. It is important to read.
Reading solves most of our language related problems because it helps us in learning better grammar, it helps us in learning the functional usage of words, and it also helps us in building up our imagination, interpretation, analytical skills, etc.
As we read, we keep on learning more and more words. It's important to look up a dictionary and find out the meaning of a word as we are reading it. When such a thing happens, a certain word gets fixed into our passive vocabulary. We identify the word, but we may not be very sure of its meaning. So that word again registers into our active vocabulary, and then we are able to use it nonchalantly. It also teaches us the functional usage of a word. And as I start this series of teaching a lot of new words every day, I would like to tell all of you that there is no shortcut at all to learning vocabulary. Learning vocabulary is like putting salt in your food. A little bit is required every day.
If you find this video slow, you can go to the settings and increase the speed. And please do not forget to give your valuable feedback because that helps me in creating more meaningful content. Do go through my playlists also and do not forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.